Testing version 581. In general, comics work well. So they should eliminate the numbering. When you tap on previews, numbers remain the same. If they don't indicate the frame that you are watching, they should be deleted or removed. It should also be eliminated, this information, when you share your code. Let me know in the comments if you like it or not. This version doesn't provide enough information to new users. As it presents the same picture, people cannot really see the difference between portrait and landscape mode. Many of the new users are not aware of the radio formats. Reels are shown in the vertical position of your phone on the ratio 9:16. Landscape videos are 16:9. Problems with the speech bubbles! Again! And we thought that this was corrected. This problem is general, so it affects comics, reels, and videos. I need a double cup of coffee, please. Thank you, Lalli. There is another problem working with reels. You need a high quality audio to get the characters lip sync. This reel shows that the character is not moving the mouth, although it should be speaking all the time. As you know, only the central part of the background is shown on reels. Only 18 backgrounds are really useful, and only half of the sound effects gallery is available. Although you can import your audio, the voice change will not work with it. Oh no, crashes again! Remember to keep your video under 30 frames. I thought that my gift was deleted, but I exported to verify. Fortunately, everything was there. Keep it simple to avoid these problems. During this video, you have heard problems with the background music. They all play from the frame 1. It is too loud and it's difficult to work with it. Fortunately, exporting time seems to be reduced. In general, if your 579 is working well, I would keep it and wait until Lalli publishes a new review. If you want to get the latest updates, don't forget to activate the notifications when you subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.